anyone can help, just keeps doing this. Try rebooting it, holding the power up, down. Just does this over and over.